24K smile and precious red eyes. Commas in his hair and I dream with the same, but he